we'll be getting less shade here, so we might move her over again. But go ahead and load and make ready and all that good stuff. And obviously any order, you know, you got the arch, not St. Louis arch, but the Higginsville arch, I guess. Any order, red stop plates last. So this ought to be a hose fest. But of course, it will be so easy that you might have the temptation to overshoot, you know, your speed. So
I don't know if I'd ever do that.
we're gonna find out. Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Wow.
Okay, start, hang on. I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna give you that. Okay, deep breath. Make sure the safety's off. Okay. Now he probably will beat me and I saved him. Okay, take your time. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Okay, 388. And it got them all. Because you had the one extra, so 7's showing, so it got them. And then look how low your stop plate hit was. The one on the right, I think, is just a mark where the bullet splattered, but the one you can see is your hole. Okay, so here we go again. Shooter is ready. Stand by. Ooh, 241. Shooter is ready. Stand by. It is 268. This should be number 4, correct? String 4. Your mind your way?
No, you're good. You're good.
We'll give you some room. Okay, shooter is ready. Stand by. Got it. 493.
And this will be your 5th one.
And that was 9 shots, so make sure you got one in the chamber. You should. But of course, you chucked that one out, didn't you? So
Yeah.
Make sure you got enough ammo. This is final string. Okay, here we go. Shooter is ready. Stand by. Oh, come on, gun. There we go. 1007. Okay, gun clear. Go ahead and flag it and bag it. Yeah, I'm glad you got that and not the 30, which wouldn't make a difference if you throw away anyway, but still. So is that ammo or gun?
I don't know.
Well, we'll find out over here. Okay. You gotta get that fake Florida State match.
Well, I think